Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheese sticks. We call it Sajtos Rudacskák. So for the Hungarian style of cheese stick, you need flour, butter, sugar, salt, one egg, cheese, and a little cream cheese if I need it. Okay, now I am adding the baking powder, a half a teaspoon baking powder. This was half a spoon of sugar and one heapful salt, because the salt will give you a good taste. And you mix it well together, and then you will add the butter, cold butter, but you will need 1.5 stick of butter, but my hand hurts, so I am just showing you. You can do it, just cut it up for little pieces, and then you can mush it together. But I try to grate mine because this way I can work with that faster and won't hurt my hands. And this one I can play with a little bit now. And I just have to work this together by hand. I just wash my hand so I can touch it. If you need a glove, you use glove. I won't use glove. I wanna feel. You just feel. It's much easier for my hands if I don't use the little cubes. If I grate my cheese. And you can do this. Just make sure you work it together. More you work with that, your cheese stick will be better, won't break. So many little tricks with baking, so sometimes somebody give you idea how to do it, try to follow, because that's the best thing. Okay, my fridge is open. Hold on one sec. Now I can add my cheese. And I can add my egg. I don't have a fork, so I whip it with my finger and add it together. And just have to work this together until I get a softer dough. Maybe I will need a little cream cheese. We will see. Or you can use sour cream. Okay, I don't show this too long. I put, like, let's see, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And usually if your dough gets really too soft, then you add a little flour. If not, it's hard, then you add a little more cream cheese or sour cream. So let's see how this works for me right now. I will take this off because somebody will complain. I have my bracelet on. So, and if it's too soft, and I will add a little flour. If not, then I add a little cream cheese. Whole secret with this, though, you have to work on it a little bit. Okay. This way the dough doesn't get that sticky. Basically, I said 1.5 cups of flour. Now I can say 2 cups of flour. Sprinkle a little flour. I can place my dough upside down. You see, just work with that a little longer. Make sure it's not sticky anymore. More you work with that, won't break. So it's worth to work on it a little bit. It's not that, doesn't take that long. Sticks together. Let me put a little more flour underneath. And you turn it back. And let me get okay. Looks very nice, and I feel the dough is not soft and not hard. Okay. Look smooth. You will roll it out for half an inch. Half an inch. And you try to do this, make it I use the cheddar and jack cheese in it, and you will see okay, I put a little cheese on top, spread it. I decided not to put the Parmesan because it's kind of hard right now. Put a little more. Oven is turned on for 350, and you have to bake it 15 to 20 minutes. Every baking is depend on your oven. Depends on your oven. Okay, now I will pounding in a little bit, make sure stays on, but you can paste it with egg white. Paste it with egg yolk if you want, or whole egg, whatever you desire. A little more here. A little more here, and okay, I will make very thin little stripes. This will give me my little sticks. This takes a little time, make sure you can do it straight. And I can do a nice one here too, and just take off these ugly edges. Okay, now I even can make it half because it's too long. And now I can place it on. Okay. I will just put this and I show you because I can do the close-ups here all the time. So, nice to have this long one. Okay, let me just show one more, and then we go from there. Try to make it straight because it will look better. Okay. Turn the oven on for 350. Make sure warm up your oven before you put this in, and then when it's finished I will show you. Enjoy baking this. Tastes good, and you have to play with the cheeses, which one you like better than the other. Let's hope you like it, and if you made it, please let me know how it turned out for you. Have a nice baking.